Hello everyone, myself Rakesh Kumar Meena, Assistant Professor in English at Government College Rajgarh. In this video lecture, I will give you details of life history of famous Indian English writer R.K. Narayan, whose full name is Rasipuram Krishna Swamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. In this video lecture, there are four important points, which are: first point is introduction to the writer, second one his literary career and works, third point is his achievements, and the last one is his major works. I will take these points one by one. So now I am going to start this video lecture. First point is introduction to the writer. R.K. Narayan. He was born in 1906 in a village Rasipuram in Madras. His father's name was Krishna Swamy. He settled down in Mysore. His mother tongue is Tamil, but in Mysore the regional language is Kannada. He writes in English. R in his name represents the name of his village, Rasipuram, and K the name of his father, Krishna Swamy Iyer. While other brothers and his sisters went to Mysore with their parents, he was left behind with his grandmother. After completing his early education, he went to England for higher education. He failed in high school examination in 1924 and in intermediate examination in 1927. He graduated in 1930 from Maharaja College, Mysore. These failures had an adverse effect on his personality. He was fond of reading different type of books and listening stories. He worked as a clerk to support his family, but he was not satisfied with it, so he accepted the work of a teacher in a village school. Next point is his literary career and works. R.K. Narayan's literary career began with his short stories, which appeared in the Hindu newspaper. He began to work as the Mysore correspondent of Justice, a Madras-based newspaper. When he could not get his first novel, Swamy and Friends, published, a mutual friend showed the draft to Graham Greene, who agreed to arrange for its publication. Narayan played an exceptional role in making India accessible to the outside world through literature. This great storyteller passed away on 13 May 2001 at the age of 94. Our next point is his achievements. R.K. Narayan won numerous awards and adulation during his lifetime. These includes the Sahitya Akademi Award for Guide in 1960. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 1964. He was awarded honorary D literature by the University of Leeds. He was awarded Benson Medal. He is called a regional novelist. Malgudi, an imaginary town, is located in Mysore state. His immortal characters are Swami Margaya and Raju Roji, etc. He was awarded A.C. Benson Medal by Royal Society of Literature in 1980. He won Padma Bhushan in 2000. Next, he was nominated to Rajya Sabha in 1989. So these are some well-known achievements of R.K. Narayan. Our last point is his major works. R.K. Narayan's major works are The Bachelor of Arts, which was published in 1937. It was a novel. The Dark Room, which was published in 1938. It is also a novel. Malgudi Days. It is a collection of short stories in 1941. Dodu and Other Stories in 1943. Cyclone and Other Stories in 1944. The English Teacher, which was published in 1945, is a novel. Next, An Astrologer and Other Stories. Mr. Sampath, a novel in 1949. This novel was filmed in 1951. Next, he wrote The Financial Expert, a novel which was published in 1952. Waiting for Mahatma in 1955, a novel. The Guide in 1958. It is a novel which was filmed in 1965. My Dateless Diary. It is an autobiography which was published in 1960. Next, The Man-Eaters of Malgudi in 1962. The Sweet Vendor, a novel in 1967. My Days, autobiography in 1975. The Emerald Route in 1977. Malgudi Days, it is a short collection of stories which was published in 1982. So these are some famous works of R.K. Narayan.